Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Akin doing a quick video. It's warming up here where we're at in Georgia, and I've decided I'm going to bring all my workout equipment inside the house because it's been outside for like a year, and it's been the elements have been damaging it, rusting the weights. So I'm gonna clean it up and then bring it in the house. So I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm in. So as you can see, I have my weights, and I've been power washing it. You can see there, just cleaning off some of the mud and crud that was on the weights here. So this is the first step that I'm doing in derusting the metal. You can see some of the rust there, some of the rust there. Got quite a good amount of rust, and I heard that there's a simple process to getting rid of that rust. I'm going to try it out, and that's basically soaking it in vinegar. Apparently, soaking metal in vinegar can take care of rust, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I got some of the equipment that I'm going to need. I got a big old trunk full of vinegar. That is. And I also bought a 77-gallon bucket. I'll show you here. It's my 77-gallon bucket. So I'm gonna throw the weights in here, fill it up with vinegar, and soak it. That should be a simple process. And I just wanted to show you what my outdoor gym area looked like. It's a simple setup. You can see a simple setup. And I have my pull-up bar area and my ab workout station, push-up station. This is a pretty dope workout equipment right here. I like it a lot. It allows me to get a lot of different types of workouts in, and of course my workout bench with the leg press. Yeah, and then I have my punching bag. I haven't used in a while, so I got to set that up too. But I'm bringing all this inside the house because I got a lot of good equipment. I don't want it to get rusted any further, and I don't want it to deteriorate in the elements. So it's coming in the house. So I've been power washing the weights. Then I'm going to put them in the tub and let them soak. All right. And I'm gonna give these a good last cleaning. Just one more time. Turn that on there. And then just power wash it off one good time, one more time. I did both front and back, cleaning off the dirt, mud, all that grit. A little bit on there. Then again, ready to soak it in the vinegar. All right, I'm really glad because the weights fit in the tub. Particularly the 45 pound weights fit perfectly, which is what I was worried about. But it's nice and flat, so I'm going to be able to fill this up nicely. Starting with the 45s, now I'm just going to stack them and try to leave space in between each plate. So I'm gonna face them. I think I'm gonna face them down this way, so that way I can they'll have some space because of that bump. See, this bump here will create that space between each weight so that the liquid can still soak and get to each plate efficiently. So far so good. And here's what I have: the cleaning solution. Now this is not your regular white vinegar. This is 30% concentrate vinegar. So this is very powerful stuff that you would not use to cook or eat or consume. This is cleaning vinegar. This is also very strong. I believe this has 6% concentrate of vinegar versus 30%. So I bought a bunch of these. I think I have like 5 of these, and I had like 8 of these, I believe. So I'm just gonna keep pouring it in till I cover the first layer. Then I'll put some more weights on top and just keep covering it until we get all the weights in there and soak.